Hey, what's going on, guys? I have another review and light up test for you guys today. So I went to Phatboy Fireworks today and picked up these fireworks. They were actually sent to me to review to you guys. So what I have for you guys today is Black Mamba, the Warden, and Gladiator. So let's check these fireworks out, see what they do. So this is Black Mamba. It's a 16-shot cake. Over here, it says it's got some colorful tails that burst into colorful stars with silver glitters, finale of 4 starbursts. Okay, check around that. Just some warnings and safety instructions here. Okay, let's check out Gladiator. So this is a 19-shot cake. There's some warning labels here too. So what this does, it has a rising gold tails bursting to purple and green peonies. It's got some rising gold tails bursting to blue and orange peonies, rising gold tails bursting to green and orange peonies, and rising gold tails bursting to blue stars with white strobing lights. Okay. Looks like that. 19 shots. I also have over here the Warden. It's a 25-shot cake, as you can see. The right side, it's got some more warning instructions, labels. And over here, the Performance has rising blue tails bursting to loud titanium silver chrysanthemums. Alright. You can see. So guys, these fireworks I got from Phatboy Fireworks. I'd like to give them a huge shout out. Thanks for giving me these fireworks. Alright, let's light these fireworks up and let's see how they perform. I'm about to light them up. So what I have here is Black Mamba. I'm going to start off with that one. And over here on the right, I got the Gladiator. Okay, start that one off after Black Mamba. And then I'll do the Warden. Alright, we're going to light up some Black Mamba. Right here.
That shit tipsy.
Okay, this is the Gladiator. What is wrong with that fuse? Okay, this is the Warden right here. Okay guys, those were the 3 fireworks that Phatboy Fireworks gave to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to subscribe, check out my next products. Alright, once again, thank you to Phatboy. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Toronto ENTZ right here. Also give the videos a thumbs up. If you guys want to see some of my next video, comment down below. Check out Vezi PhD right here. He's got some crazy how-tos and motivational speaking. Also check out Dan Ram 109. He's got some epic Transformers stop motions.